Good morning children. Coordinate geometry. We are continuing. Prove that the points -2, -1 and 1, 0, 4, 3 and 1, 2 are the vertices of the parallelogram or not. So the 4 vertices they had given. Now the question is asked that whether it is a parallelogram or not. So which property we must use here means the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So we already drawn a diagram, and if it is a parallelogram then the diagonals can be joined, and we know that the properties of the diagonal that they are bisect each other. If they are bisect each other means it became a midpoint, right? What is the midpoint of for AC? It is same as the midpoint for BD also, right? So it divides, let it be O only. So AC means it's bisect each other. This is one only. 1:1 bisect each other means O is a midpoint. Similarly here also we know that the diagonals bisect each other means okay, here B and the point is 1, 0. So AC if take O is the midpoint, BD we take O is the midpoint only. So we should check that whether this midpoint is same or not. So we can take that ABCD are the points there. Now by midpoint section formula, what is the formula we are using? By midpoint section formula, only, but midpoint property we are using. What we can write? Formula O, the coordinate of AC or the diagonal, we have midpoint of AC equal to, one time we will write the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So which is the value for AC? -2 then 4, that is the x values, divided by, sum is divided by 2 only. Y value -1 plus 3, -1 plus 3, it is 1 only, divided by 2, into put it in the open bracket. What is the simplification here? -2 plus 4, it is 2, 2 by 2, again -1 plus 3, it is again 2 by 2. That means 1, 1 is the midpoint of AC. Similarly midpoint of BD equal to, same formula only, so we are not repeating. 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2, then what is the y coordinate there? 2 plus 0 divided by 2. So 2 by 2, again 2 by 2, that means it is equal to 1.1. So as we know that diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other, now we got that the midpoint AC and BD have the same midpoint. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Diagonal AC and BD have the same midpoint. Hence ABCD is a parallelogram. P 1, 2, Q 4, 6, R 5, 7 and S A, B are the vertices of the parallelogram PQRS. Find the value of A and B only. So last question we have learned that diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. We know that one, because of that we got the same midpoint, right? That is the diagonal AC and the BD have the same midpoint. Now we are having the different names, that is PQRS only. So what is the meaning of it is a parallelogram means what is the midpoint for diagonal PR we are taking, that is the same as for a QS also. So we will write that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore midpoint of PR equal to midpoint of QS. So what is the midpoint of PR means I have to consider these 2 points, right? So 1 plus 5 by 2 means whole divided by 2, then 2 plus 7 whole divided by 2 only, right? Similarly, what is the next part? Midpoint of QS means these 2 pair. So 4 plus A whole divided by 2, 6 plus B whole divided by 2. So now we should equate. So 6 by 2 equal to 4 plus A by A divided by 2, 2 will get cancelled. So 6 minus 4 equal to A. So what is the meaning of 6 minus 4? Means it is equal to 2. So A equal to 2. One answer. Similarly, B we have to go. So 9 by 2 equal to 6 plus B by B whole divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 9 minus 6 equal to B, or we can say B equal to 3 only. So A equal to 2 and B equal to 3, we got the values. So the property we have used, therefore A equal to 2, B equal to 3. If the coordinate of the midpoint of the sides of the triangle are 1, 2, 0, minus 1 and 2, minus 1, find the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. So we are not knowing anything about the coordinate of the triangle. So we are writing A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Now the respective midpoint we can take as D for BC, E and F. So by midpoint section formula we can use here. Before that we already got the coordinate of the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So let me take D as a 1, 2, E as a 0, minus 1 and F as a 2, minus 1. So we'll write here, let A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 be the coordinate of the given triangle. Coordinate of the given triangle ABC. Now D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively. So by midpoint section formula, the first D I'll explain, that is x2 plus x3 whole divided by 2 equal to 1 only. So D is the midpoint. Midpoint section formula, what is the midpoint section formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So we'll write here coordinate of D that is 1, 2 equal to x2 plus x3 whole divided by 2. Similarly y2 plus y3 whole divided by 2. That is, what is the meaning of this one? We can write x2 plus x3 by 2 equal to 1, y2 plus y3 by 2 equal to 2. This implies x2 plus x3 equal to 2, y2 plus y3 equal to 4. So this step if you understood, you can write easily the next one also. For 0, minus 1, but we can write x3 plus x1 divided by 2 equal to 0, y3 plus y1 whole divided by 2 equal to minus 1. Similarly this side F, 2 comma minus 1 we can write as x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So the similar points we will write now. Similarly, x1 plus x2 equal to 4, y1 plus y2 equal to minus 2, equation number 2. Now x1 plus x3 equal to 0, y1 plus y3 equal to minus 2. So one is x coordinate, another one is y coordinate. If we add all these three equations, what we will get? x2 2 times, x3 2 times, x1 2 times. So all these equations adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives 2 times of x1, 2 times of x2 plus 2 times of x3 equal to 6. Similarly, y side also 2 times of y1, 2 times of y2 plus 2 times of y3 equal to 0. So 2 is common, here we can cancel. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 3, whereas y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 0. This is our fourth equation. Now we can use each one of us. This one, see, use the second equation first. x1 plus x2 is 4, y1 plus y2 equal to minus 2. I'll use using 2. We have 4 plus x3 equal to 3. So x3 equal to minus 1. Now y1 plus y2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus y3 equal to 0. So y3 equal to 2. So we got x3 and y3. x3, what is the x3 and x3 comma y3 equal to minus 1 comma 2. So one of the coordinate we got for the triangle. Similarly, we should go for the other one. So x1 plus x3 is 0. First equation we can use x2 plus x3 is 2. y2 plus y3 equal to 4. Using 1. In 4 we have 1 is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 we can substitute as a 2 only. So x1 plus 2 equal to 3 and y2 plus y3 equal to 4 this side. So y1 plus 4 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 1 only, y1 equal to minus 4. Therefore x1 y1 coordinate equal to 1 comma minus 4. Similarly, we can go for the next equation. So I'll make it in a box, this one. Now the last part. Using 3 in 4. x1 plus x3 is 0 plus x2 equal to 3. Next is here y1 plus y3 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus y2 equal to 0. So x2 equal to 3 and y2 equal to 2. So the coordinate x2 y2 equal to 3 comma 2. So all the three coordinate we got. So we can conclude the answer as the vertices of the triangle ABC are A 1 comma minus 4, B 3 comma 2, C minus 1 comma 2. The point R divides AB where A minus 4 comma 0, B 0 comma 6. Then AR equal to 3 by 4 AB. Find the coordinate of R. So diagram is same only. We can go for the diagram same way. A and B 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 6 only. R unknown to us. So we are taken as x comma y. Now the ratio they are given in the question as AR equal to 3 by 4 AB only. So we'll write here AR equal to 3 by 4 AB. So if you check diagram, we can write 3 by 4 into AR plus RB. So cross multiplying 4AR equal to, expand this side, 3AR plus 3RB only. So 4AR minus 3AR equal to 3RB. So AR equal to RB. So AR 3RB here. Okay. AR by RB, this side we brought left side, it is equal to 3 by 1. So what is the ratio we got? AR is 3 and the other part is 1 only. So the ratio is 3:1. The first one answer we got. Without this we cannot solve that question. Now bisection formula. Rx comma y equal to 1 into 4 plus 3 into 0 divided by 3 plus 1. Next, what is the next part? 1 into 0 plus 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 1. Now simplification, 4 plus 0 by 4 comma 0 plus 18 by 4. So 4 by 4 it is 1 only. So one correction, it is minus 4 is there, so here also minus 4. So minus 4 by 4, that is minus 1, and 18 by 4, that is minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So the correction, don't forget, here minus 4 comma 0, minus 4 comma 0 should be written. In the question it is minus 4 comma 0 only. So what is the answer we got? Minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Coordinate of R. Point P divides the line segment joining A2, 1, B5, minus 8 such that AP by AB equal to 1 by 3. P lies on 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Find k. The last question, the ratios are not given. Unknown ratio with that k is to 1 we have used and calculated. This time it is given that AP by AB equal to 1 by 3. So cross multiplying 3AP equal to AB. So AB we should split as AP plus PB. Now AP we have to bring on the same side. So 3AP minus AP equal to PB. So 2AP by PB equal to 1 only. So what is the meaning of AP by PB? AP by PB equal to 1 by 2. So the ratio is 1:2 only. Now we got the ratio, we can calculate the coordinate of P only. So we can take that P as a x comma y. Bisection P x comma y divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Therefore bisection formula, Px comma y equal to 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. Next 1 into minus 8 plus 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus 2. I have used 1 this time first, so 1 into far away coordinate 5 plus 2 into 2. So 5 plus 4, it is 9. 9 divided by 3, again minus 2 plus 2, that is minus 6 by 3. So our answer is 3 comma minus 2. So we got the coordinate of P as 3 comma minus 2. Now what is the next step? P comma minus 3 2 is a point on this line, so this is a solution also. So we can put x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2 in the given equation. P x comma y equal to 3 comma minus 2 lies on 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Therefore put p equal x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2 in 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. So 2 into 3 minus of k, minus 2 it is. So minus of minus 2 plus k equal to 0. So 6 plus 2 plus k equal to 0 implies k equal to minus 8. So all the questions whatever we have solved, it's important only, and practice more with this today's class. I'm winding up. Thank you.